Feeling like your home is shrinking, but your stuff isn't? Yeah, we're fixing that today. Today we are checking out 20 game-changing Amazon must-haves that turn tight corners, narrow gaps, and empty walls into smart, hard-working storage. These are powerful space-saving upgrades made for tiny homes, small apartments, and anyone who wants less clutter and more calm. Clean, functional, seriously satisfying. All the links are waiting for you in the description below, so let's transform your space. First up on our list is this wall-mounted shower caddy set that instantly frees up crowded tubs and messy corners. This 6-pack design gives you vertical storage without drilling into your sanity, keeping shampoos, soaps, and daily essentials neatly lifted off surfaces. Rust-proof construction means long-term durability even in steamy bathrooms. Instead of bottles sliding everywhere, this creates clean zones that feel organized and intentional. For small bathrooms, this turns unused wall space into pure functional storage power. You'll typically find sets like this priced around $25 to $40. Up next, with this stackable closet storage basket system, we're taking cluttered shelves and giving them structure. This design stacks vertically to maximize height while keeping clothes, towels, or accessories easy to grab. Open visibility means no more digging through piles or forgetting what you own. In tight closets, this creates layers of order without bulky furniture. If your storage feels chaotic, this adds instant organization while still keeping everything breathable and accessible. Expect options like this to range between $30 to $50. Right after that comes this fluted corner cabinet that transforms awkward empty corners into stylish storage zones. This slim floor design with sliding doors keeps items tucked away while maintaining a modern textured look. It fits beautifully into bathrooms, entryways, or bedrooms where square footage is limited. Instead of wasting corner space, this converts it into hidden storage that feels intentional and elevated. For compact homes, this is how you add function without crowding your layout. Pieces like this usually sit around $80 to $120. Meanwhile, with this 4-tier narrow bathroom storage cabinet, we're unlocking vertical storage in the tightest gaps. This wheeled design slides easily between sinks and toilets while offering multiple shelves for toiletries and cleaning supplies. Built-in tissue storage keeps essentials within reach without cluttering countertops. In small apartments, this uses overlooked inches efficiently and keeps everything streamlined. It's compact, mobile, and surprisingly spacious for such a slim footprint. Most versions fall between $40 to $70. Let's keep rolling with this kitchen baker's rack that doubles as a coffee bar and microwave station. This 4-tier setup adds vertical shelving while integrated power outlets make small appliances easier to manage. Hooks underneath create extra hanging storage for mugs or utensils, keeping counters clear. In tight kitchens, this becomes a centralized command station for daily routines. It's practical, organized, and a serious space upgrade without needing a full remodel. Expect pricing around $100 to $150. Here's another smart upgrade, this acrylic hair tool organizer that instantly clears tangled cords and cluttered countertops. This transparent design keeps dryers, straighteners, and brushes neatly separated while protecting surfaces from heat damage. Wall-mounted storage frees up valuable vanity space, making small bathrooms feel bigger and more controlled. Instead of messy drawers, this keeps everything visible and within reach. For tight spaces, this brings salon-level organization without adding bulk. These typically cost around $15 to $30. Now this one's clever, this 4-tier slim rolling storage cart designed for those narrow, forgotten gaps. This glides smoothly between appliances, desks, or laundry machines, turning unused inches into productive storage. Multiple tiers keep essentials layered and easy to access without spreading clutter across surfaces. Lightweight yet sturdy construction makes repositioning effortless. In compact homes, this is how you unlock hidden space without rearranging entire rooms. You'll usually see this priced between $20 to $40. Gliding forward with this wooden desk shelf, we're leveling up vertical workspace organization. This 8-shelf layout builds upward instead of outward, giving books, decor, and office supplies structured zones. It transforms cluttered desks into streamlined productivity stations while keeping everything within arm's reach. For small apartments where work and living overlap, this adds height-based storage without crowding floors. Clean lines and smart layering make this both practical and visually satisfying. Expect options like this around $60 to $100. Moving along with this jewelry mirror cabinet, storage meets function in a seriously space-saving way. This wall-mounted design combines a full mirror with hidden compartments for necklaces, rings, and accessories. Lockable storage keeps valuables secure while eliminating tangled messes in drawers. Instead of separate furniture pieces, this merges beauty and organization into one vertical solution. For compact bedrooms, this keeps surfaces clear while adding everyday convenience. These usually range from $70 to $120. And stepping it up with this 360-degree rotating 6-tier bookshelf, we're turning storage into a centerpiece. This vertical tower design spins smoothly, allowing access from every angle without taking up wide floor space. Built-in wheels add mobility while stacked tiers maximize upward storage. In tight apartments, this creates serious book or decor capacity within a compact footprint. It's functional, eye-catching, and perfect for making small spaces feel thoughtfully designed. Pricing typically lands between $100 to $160. Quick pause. If something here is already making your life easier, you can find all the product links down in the description below. Now, powering ahead with this portable clothes dryer, we're solving one of the biggest tiny home challenges: laundry without dedicated space. This compact unit fits easily into apartments while still delivering efficient, reliable drying performance. This stainless steel drum improves durability, and this controlled exhaust system manages airflow effectively. Instead of hanging clothes across rooms, this keeps everything contained and streamlined. For small living setups, this delivers full laundry function without demanding bulky square footage or permanent installation. Compact dryers like this usually range between $200 to $350. Switching things up with this 6-tier pant hanger, closet space instantly multiplies vertically. This cascading design holds multiple pairs in one compact section, freeing valuable rod space for additional clothing. It keeps trousers wrinkle-free while maintaining clean visual order. In tight wardrobes, this transforms overcrowded bars into structured layers that feel intentional and breathable. If your closet feels maxed out, this creates practical expansion without adding shelves, drawers, or extra furniture. These are typically priced around $15 to $25. Now flowing into kitchen control with this 10-pack fridge organizer set, messy shelves finally get structure. This combination of large, medium, and small bins creates clear zones for produce, drinks, and meal prep essentials. Transparent walls maintain visibility so nothing disappears into the back corners. Stackable lids maximize vertical capacity while maintaining airflow. For compact kitchens, this reduces clutter, minimizes waste, and makes everyday cooking routines feel smoother and more efficient. Expect sets like this to fall between $30 to $60. Stepping into productivity with this electric standing desk, flexibility meets smart apartment living. This height-adjustable frame transitions smoothly between sitting and standing, supporting healthier work habits in limited space. This lifting system operates reliably for long-term daily use. Instead of separate desks for different tasks, this adapts within one clean footprint. In small homes where rooms multitask constantly, this keeps your workspace ergonomic, modern, and streamlined without crowding your layout. Most models are priced around $150 to $300. Bringing comfort into your lounge zone with this couch cup holder tray, convenience gets a clean upgrade. This stabilizes drinks, remotes, or snacks directly on soft armrests, preventing spills without bulky side tables. It's ideal for apartments where extra furniture tightens walkways. Instead of balancing items on cushions, this creates an instant flat surface in seconds. For compact living rooms, this adds practical everyday function while keeping your seating area open and uncluttered. You'll typically see this around $20 to $40. Now taking it higher with this 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer, we're unlocking serious vertical storage without touching floor space. This hooks securely over standard doors, instantly creating layered shelves for spices, snacks, cans, or cleaning supplies. Adjustable tiers help customize spacing based on what you store. In small apartments where cabinets overflow quickly, this adds structured capacity in seconds. Instead of cluttered counters and stuffed drawers, this keeps essentials visible, organized, and incredibly easy to access every single day. These generally range from $50 to $90. Turning attention to cleaning tools with this wall-mounted mop and broom holder, messy corners finally disappear. This slot and hook system grips handles securely while keeping everything lifted off floors. Strong weight capacity supports multiple tools without sagging or slipping. In compact laundry rooms or utility closets, this consolidates scattered items into one neat vertical station. Instead of leaning mops that constantly fall over, this creates tidy alignment and frees valuable walking space instantly. Expect pricing around $15 to $30. Shifting into heavy-duty convenience with this furniture lifter and slider set, rearranging rooms becomes effortless. This leverage tool lifts bulky sofas, beds, or cabinets just enough to position smooth glide sliders underneath. Once placed, this allows heavy pieces to move across floors without scratches or strain. In small homes where layouts change often, this simplifies deep cleaning and redesigning. Instead of struggling with weight and risking damage, this makes room transformations safer and dramatically easier. Sets like this usually cost between $20 to $50. Next, organizing drawers smarter with this bamboo kitchen storage bag organizer, cluttered foil and wrap boxes finally get structure. This divided layout holds sandwich bags, freezer bags, and plastic wrap in designated compartments. Natural bamboo construction keeps it durable while adding a clean aesthetic. In compact kitchens, this prevents drawer chaos and eliminates crushed packaging. Instead of stacked cardboard boxes sliding everywhere, this creates streamlined access that feels intentional and highly functional. These typically fall around $20 to $40. And finally, closing the lineup with this underbed storage container set, hidden space becomes valuable real estate. This wheeled design slides smoothly beneath beds, capturing unused square footage for seasonal clothes, linens, or extra supplies. Clear panels maintain visibility without constant opening. In tiny bedrooms where closets overflow fast, this adds discreet expansion without crowding floors. Instead of stuffing items into random corners, this keeps belongings protected, mobile, and neatly contained right beneath your sleeping space. Most sets are priced between $30 to $70. And there you have it, 20 smart Amazon finds that prove small spaces can work smarter, not harder. From vertical upgrades to hidden storage and rolling space savers, this is how you turn clutter into calm without adding square footage. If even one of these made you say, "I need that," you'll find every link waiting in the description below. Drop a comment with your favorite, hit that like button, and subscribe for more space-saving game changers.